Have you ever wondered what hidden treasures lie beyond Germany's famous landmarks? Today, we're stepping off the beaten path to explore the corners of Germany not often highlighted in travel guides. From quaint towns steeped in history to stunning natural landscapes that escape the typical tourist radar, this journey will reveal the lesser-known but equally captivating attractions. Each site holds a unique story and offers breathtaking views that you won't find in bustling city centers or crowded hotspots. Join us as we delve into the heart of Germany's hidden gems. Nestled in the heart of Saxony-Anhalt, Quedlinburg tells a tale older than Germany itself. As you wander through its narrow, cobbled streets, you're treading the same paths that medieval merchants and townsfolk walked centuries ago. Each corner and alleyway of this charming town is a canvas displaying the art of medieval architecture, with over 1,300 half-timbered houses that have stood the test of time. Quedlinburg is not just a town, but a chronicle of history, honored as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Its authenticity in preserving the medieval town layout is nothing short of remarkable, allowing you to step back into a time where modern chaos gives way to historical whispers. Amidst these ancient streets, the legend of the Quedlinburg treasure lingers, a saga of hidden riches and medieval kings that adds an aura of mystery to the already enchanting town. Quedlinburg, a storybook town, offers a glimpse into Germany's medieval past, almost untouched by time. Imagine a labyrinth of waterways hidden within a serene forest. Welcome to Spreewald, a mesmerizing biosphere reserve tucked away just an hour's drive southeast of Berlin. Here, the landscape unfolds like a page from a fairy tale, with over 200 small canals weaving through dense woodland and lush greenery. In this verdant maze, the traditional punt boats glide silently over the water, steered by local boatmen with years of navigational secrets. These boats are more than just a mode of transport. They are a bridge to the rich tapestry of the region's history and culture. Spreewald is not only celebrated for its natural beauty, but also for its unique cultural heritage. It is home to the Sorbs, a Slavic minority with a vibrant culture and language of their own. Throughout the year, this community enlivens the area with festivals showcasing traditional Sorbian costumes, an explosion of color and craftsmanship that tells stories of their ancestral legacy. A visit to Spreewald is incomplete without savoring its local delicacies. The Spreewald gherkins are particularly famous, often served fresh or pickled, and are a must-try for any gastronome. These cucumbers have earned their geographical indication status, marking their unique taste that is as much a part of Spreewald as the canals themselves. As you leave the wooden paths and the whispering reeds behind, the essence of Spreewald lingers. It isn't just a place, it's a tranquil escape into nature's arms, where culture and tradition float on water. In the shadow of the Alps lies a lake with islands that time forgot. Welcome to Chiemsee, affectionately dubbed the Bavarian Sea, a majestic expanse of water that cradles some of Germany's most enchanting secrets. Among these are the islands of Chiemsee and Chiemsee, each with a narrative steeped in history and mystique. Chiemsee Island holds a treasure trove of opulence, dominated by the grand Chiemsee Palace. This architectural marvel was King Ludwig II's ambitious project, aiming to mirror the splendor of Versailles. With its lavish halls and intricate gardens, the palace stands as a testament to Ludwig's vision of royal grandeur. Just a short boat ride away, Chiemsee offers a stark contrast with its serene monastic life. This smaller island is home to a quaint Benedictine abbey where time seems to stand still. The nuns here live a life of peace, their days marked by prayer and community work, providing a sanctuary far removed from the bustle of modern life. Chiemsee's islands offer a royal and monastic retreat amidst the tranquility of alpine waters. A geological marvel or a mythical barrier, the Devil's Wall beckons. Nestled in the rugged landscape of the Harz Mountains, the Teufelsmauer or Devil's Wall stretches with an air of ancient mystery. This striking rock formation, composed primarily of sandstone, has stood the test of time, sculpted by natural forces over millions of years. But it's not just the geology that captivates visitors, it's the legends that swirl around these craggy peaks. According to local folklore, the Devil's Wall was built by supernatural beings, Tales tell of witches who danced upon these rocks and devils who constructed this wall in a single night, intending to claim the Harz Mountains as their own. These stories infuse the landscape with a mystical aura, making every hike a journey through a storybook. For the adventurous at heart, the trails leading up to and along the Devil's Wall offer more than just exercise. They promise breathtaking panoramic views and exceptional opportunities for photographers aiming to capture the magic of the Harz Mountains at sunrise or sunset. The Devil's Wall stands as a natural fortress, shrouded in myth and commanding awe. Today we've journeyed through some of Germany's most captivating hidden gems. Our first stop was the quaint town of Quedlinburg, where timber-framed houses and cobblestone streets whisper tales of the medieval era. Here, history feels alive, inviting you to wander and wonder at the stories etched in its ancient walls. Next, we ventured into the verdant labyrinth of Spreewald, a serene network of waterways that beckon with the promise of peaceful canoe rides and encounters with unique wildlife. This green maze offers an escape into a world where nature and tranquility reign supreme. Our exploration took us further to the charming Chiemsee Islands, a place where forgotten histories float on serene waters, and the majestic Alps form a breathtaking backdrop. It's a perfect spot for those who seek solace away from the bustling city life. Finally, we stood before the enigmatic Devil's Wall, a geological marvel that stretches across the landscape, shrouded in myths and legends. Every hidden gem we explored today promises its own unique story and adventure, waiting for you to discover.